crushed. It is one of the most traumatic fates to befall a family. They were born beautiful triplets into a world of possibilities where the poor and their offspring can thrive. But under the brutal wheels of a state-sponsored bulldozer, they died one after the other. On February 23, 2013, Badia East, an informal community in Lagos State, came under the siege of a sudden, unannounced demolition by the then government of Babatunde Raji Fashola, as residents struggled to retrieve their few property from the early morning raid on their homes. As pandemonium spread, Iyawo Paul, Paul's wife, a heavily pregnant young woman, fainted, then went into forced labor at the site of her house with all her family property intact, going under the bulldozers guarded by ferocious and fully armed policemen sent by the government. Like other distraught residents, they wouldn't allow her pick a pin. She was rushed to a hospital where she had a set of triplets a few hours later, born premature, no incubators. Her husband, Paul, a driver, was away on commercial duty. The premature triplets contracted jaundice and died, one after the other, a few weeks later.
Her husband also left her. Then her mind snapped.
She had a mental breakdown. Today, she still lives among the debris of Badia East 4 years after. A mentally sick woman, a childless, destitute, hopeless. This is what Demolitions in Lagos does. Deaths at dawn. Damaged adults. In Lagos, it appears a crime to be born poor.
There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me.
Governor Akinwumi Ambode, where did our children